Hey girlfriends, in today's video I will be showing you how I prepare my Kanekalon hair for braiding. If you've ever gotten your hair done with Kanekalon hair and noticed that your scalp was itchy and irritable and even saw some small red bumps, it could be because of the alkaline coating. Braiding hair is sprayed down with an alkaline coating, which is used to help preserve the hair from being moldy, which can cause the scalp to get really dry and itchy when your hair is put in. So with this ACV rinse, we are removing the alkaline coating, and you will see that very soon. In the first clip, you saw me filling up my sink and pouring a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar into the sink. You want to make sure you get the apple cider vinegar that has the mother in it. Now I'm just twisting up the hair so that it doesn't get all tangled when I put it in the water. You can use any type of Kanekalon braiding hair, but I'm using the Outre Jumbo Braid, and it has 3 bundles in 1 pack. I think it's a little bit cheaper than buying each bundle individually. This clip is about 35 minutes after I let the braiding hair sit in the water, and you can see this white stuff here is the alkaline coating, which is the chemicals that they put in the hair. I make sure that I always do an apple cider vinegar rinse prior to braiding my hair. That way the alkaline coating does not irritate my scalp. And it also makes the style last a lot longer because I'm not scratching my scalp as much, and I don't have to take any braids out due to irritation. When you're done, make sure to rinse your hair under cold water to get rid of the residual alkaline. Hot water can possibly melt the hair and alter the texture as well. Remember, this is synthetic hair, it's not real hair, so just be mindful of that. You can also follow this up with a clarifying shampoo to get rid of the smell, but I found that using a shampoo after the ACV rinse is just another unnecessary step for me. It does work for some people, but I feel like the ACV rinse is good enough for me. You can always opt to soak your hair for much longer if you want, but this amount of time works for me. All you have to do is put the hair on a towel, or you can hang it up on a hanger over top of your bathtub to let it dry that way, and then you're all set to braid. I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial on how I like to do the apple cider vinegar rinse on my braiding hair. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and also click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I post. And until my next one, I will see you guys later. Bye.